Alright everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by, I appreciate it. Big surprise, working on the rack again. Pretty much finished it. They are going to be adding some more stuff. I mean, this rack's already kind of been done, but finished this rack over here. So that took, I don't know, at least half the day, at least most of the day. So got that box mounted. Coworker helped me out. They finished drilling that out. I think maybe it was drilled yesterday, but finished putting in the sleeves and then shoving that to the ceiling. Had to go upstairs and knock these giant black things out of the ceiling because they were in the way of the pipe going through. So I had to knock those out of the 3 big holes, right? I don't know. I think they were the last 3 actually. I don't remember some of those. These 3 or those 3. So had to chip those out. That took a while. And then just cutting these short little pieces and then getting everything taken down and shoved back in. Took some time, and then just getting everything in just right, just because, like I told you guys before, cut these a little bit short, like 2 inches or whatever the gap is, and then you just kind of move all the couplings over till the screws hit. And so just had kind of to fidget with that back and forth on all 4 of those for a while, and then getting those strapped. And then had to, probably could have done 2 deep struts, but we already did a deep strut and a thin strut, so I just put another thin strut on top of the thin strut and clamped all those together. So yeah, we will be pulling wire next Monday, I think he said. They're gonna get like 7 or whatever, 12 giant rolls of wire, and we're gonna set the wire up right here, and we're gonna push the wire down the holes, and then it's gonna go around the corner and then down straight down to the electrical room. And they just plan on cutting the wire right here, and then they're gonna splice it later once they have to go upstairs to the other 3 floors up above or whatnot. So interesting. So that'll all work out. Probably leave these probably like 2 or 3 feet, and then just get these all spliced ready on this side, on the back side, and then once they drop the wire in later, they'll just strip it and then put it in the splice that's ready to go. I've never seen it done, really. It's basically some kind of giant splice kit or whatever with a heat shrink wrap or something. So anyways, we'll see how that goes. And I know they did mention that everything was going to be exposed, that all this wire ran when it should not have, but then I don't know, I'm kind of confused. I'm not sure if I understand exactly what's happening, because they said that yesterday this part was exposed and this half was exposed, and then today they said everything's exposed, and now I don't know if it's everything's exposed or if it's just those same spots as yesterday. So they said there is still going to be some insulation, so I think most of this MC will still be usable, I think, but we'll figure it out down the road. But I think we're going to have some other guys go around and shoot a laser up to the ceiling where our lights are going to go and mark it out, and then I can go around and hang boxes and then run pipe between them if I need to. But the boss guy, foreman, said we're going to be up here, or I'm going to be up here at least for another month on this 3rd floor or something, running pipe or something. I don't know. So we'll see how that goes. Lots of stuff to do, lots of different changes. Still have to finish. This is about the only thing I have left to do right here, is just run this 2-inch up through that 2-inch hole. But also they added, I mean not added, but he just dropped it on me that there's going to be 2 1-inch pipes also that are going to be going back on this rack. So I'm going to be adding those down and around the corner, and those 1-inchers will go to this elevator shaft over here, and to the elevator room right there. So elevator, I don't even know what I'm saying. Elevator, mechanical room, and then the elevator shaft right here. I think there's some holes over here on the ground somewhere, I'm not sure. So anyways, that's what's happening there. Oh, there they are. They are on the back side right there, so some 1-inch pipe will be connecting to those, I assume. And then some 1-inch pipe going over to there. I don't know how it's getting in that room, because I don't know if it can go through the ceiling or not. Anyways, I feel like that's about it, but lots of different changes. Lots of EMT probably going to be going on up here, 1/2 inch for lighting. Lots of different changes. A whole bunch of different stuff I wrote down, but that I can't remember right now. So expect to be up here for the next while. So see how it goes, and I'll see you guys back here tomorrow. The day went by so fast. But anyways, yep, that'll about wrap it up. I hope you guys enjoyed, and gonna go on a cruise tomorrow after work, so maybe I'll make a video about that, maybe not, I'm not sure. So anyways, hopefully you all enjoyed. I will see you guys back here tomorrow. God bless, have an awesome rest of your day. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed the video. That was definitely not a Ferrari. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, and check out the description for anything else. And I forgot what I was going to say. Hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks, guys. God bless. Peace out. Alright, guys, one last thing. This isn't going to pertain to mostly everyone, just a person or two. It's really hot in here. So I just want to say, if anyone wants to hate, that's cool. I'm working on not being like affected by what people say about me. And for the most part, if someone says something mean about me, it's cool. It doesn't bother me. Sometimes things get under my skin. I'm human. You know, things are gonna happen. Things are gonna irritate someone, and that includes me. I'm not perfect, and I just want to say, if someone's gonna call me stupid, not that anyone did call me stupid, but if someone's calling me stupid or someone's hating about something, give me a reason. Don't just say, oh, you're stupid. Tell me why I'm stupid. You know what I'm saying? It's just like, if you're gonna tell me that I need help, like, what kind of help do you think that I need? Mental help, help finding a new job, help being not about complaining, you know? So it just kind of bothers me sometimes. It'll get under my skin, and you probably know who you are if you're watching this, but for the most part, everyone is amazing, and I appreciate the support. But just wanted to throw that out there. Not that like any of my haters from any of my other videos are actually watching this video, so this is probably just kind of pointless, but I just wanted to say it, you know? So anyways, hopefully you all are having a great day. Like I said, my day went really fast, and it was pretty good. Wonderful weather. I think it was like 56 or something, but I don't know. Right now it feels like 90 in this car with the windows up, but it says it's like 56 or something outside, but it feels like 60, 65, which is just perfect. And it's nice working in the parking garage because the concrete really cools you down, and yeah, so it keeps you cool. Anyways, it's kind of just ridiculous how I was working in that giant puddle for like, I don't know, like a week or two, and they just vacuumed all the water up and dumped it out. So that's kind of annoying. But anyways, little things like that, little things throughout my day were just kind of annoying. But I think I'm in a pretty good mood right now, so that's awesome. And I hope you all are having a great day, or your day gets better. So anyways, thanks for listening to me ramble and rant, and I'll see you guys back here tomorrow. God bless. Peace out. Alright, and I don't think I mentioned this yet, but part of the title of this video, if I remember the title correctly, is like the drop ceiling that was supposed to cover everything. They said is, I think I sort of mentioned this, but they said that there's no more drop ceiling, so everything's exposed, but some stuff may still be covered with insulation. So I'm not sure about that, but it's just kind of weird that the person running this whole entire job site, the whatever superintendent or whatever you want to call him, general contractor or whatnot, superintendent, knew about this in January, and they just now told us in whatever this is, May or whatever. So kind of ridiculous how this job site's kind of being run, or information is being sent to the subcontractors or whatever. So anyways, that's kind of just ridiculous. I have no words. So anyways, just kind of like do work, tear it apart, do work, tear it apart, or whatever. So anyways, it's kind of how this job's working so far, so it doesn't look like much is ever getting done. So anyways, yep, that'll do it. Okay, that's it. This video is probably like 10 minutes, whatever.